Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dust Mite detergent is probably one of the most effective ways to eliminate dust mites from your laundry, contributing to a healthier home environment and reducing allergy symptoms. This deep cleaning detergent targets and removes dust mites and their allergens from fabrics, leaving your clothes and bedding fresh and clean, while also being gentle on sensitive skin. Today, we will explore its features, benefits, and how it stacks up against other leading brands on the market. Number 5. Premo Guard Bed Bug Detergent. It's safe for the whole family, including children and pets. This detergent is third-party tested and approved for your peace of mind. Say goodbye to stains and harsh chemical smells. It leaves your laundry fresh and clean, without harmful fumes. It effectively eliminates bed bugs, lice, mites, fleas, and ticks, targeting adults, nymphs, and eggs. It's a powerful yet natural solution. It's simple to use, add it to your regular wash. Made with all natural ingredients, it's tough on pests but gentle on fabrics. We stand behind our product. Order today and experience excellent customer service, backed by our money-back guarantee. What we like? It's safe for kids and pets, and it's tough on bugs. It's also free of harsh chemicals and won't leave any stains or odors. If you have children or pets and want a natural solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It also makes clothes super soft. Clothes come out so soft and wonderfully fresh. This product works great, and I would recommend it to anyone. Number 4. Hygea Natural Lice and Bed Bug Additive. It's compatible with all your favorite detergents and water temperatures. This means you can use it on any washable fabric, making it incredibly versatile. Use it alone or with your regular detergent. It provides year-round pest control, giving you lasting peace of mind. Easily remove bed bugs and lice from your clothes and linens. It's the simple solution for pest-free laundry. It's a key part of any bed bug extermination plan. Seamlessly integrated into your cleaning routine for effortless pest control. It's odorless, stain-free, and safe for kids and pets. This eco-friendly formula protects your family and the environment. What we like? This works on all washable fabrics and with any detergent. It's also incredibly effective at eliminating pests without any fuss. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use solution, this is it. What people say. Large container, better value. I like that it is not a pesticide and I don't know how it is environmentally friendly, but I like that claim. I put half in the laundry detergent and the other half in the clothes softener. Number 3. DeMite Laundry Additive. Are you tired of sneezing and watery eyes? It could be dust mites in your laundry. DeMite helps eliminate them, giving you much-needed allergy relief. Dust mites are a major cause of indoor allergies, affecting millions. This product effectively removes their waste, reducing allergy triggers in your home. It's easy to use with any detergent, water temperature, and fabric type. Simply add it to your wash cycle for a deep clean. This product is fragrance-free and gentle, safe for children and pets. It uses tea tree oil for natural cleansing and deodorizing. The active ingredients have been studied and proven effective and safe for removing dust mite waste. Many doctors recommend it. Our 1-liter bottle provides approximately 50 washes, making it a cost-effective solution for lasting allergy relief. What we like? It's specifically designed to remove dust mite waste, a major allergy trigger. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin. If you suffer from allergies, this is a must-have. What people say. Been using this product for more than a decade. I rely on it as I have allergies to dust mite residue on my sheets. I put it in every wash, and as a side benefit, bugs never fly near me when I am out. Mosquitoes stay away. This stuff did the trick. Having a dust mite outbreak was absolutely terrible and I tried a spray bottle of mite killer which did help a lot but just wasn't quite enough, so I ordered this and the mite-proof enclosed pillow and mattress cases. Honestly, if you are even here reading this review, you probably have a dust mite problem and this is what worked for me. Washed all my bedding, pillowcases, and blankets in this, 3 days in a row. Then used the spray on the bare mattress. I use this product to kill dust mites, of which I am highly allergic to. Now I can go to bed and not be bitten anymore. Dust mites are a huge culprit in causing a serious infection, called cellulitis. Number 2. Easy Air Organic Allergy Relief Rinse. Say goodbye to allergy triggers in your laundry. This rinse is hypoallergenic and fragrance-free, making it safe for sensitive skin. It's tough on odors but gentle on your family. This means no harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean without the use of harsh chemicals. Perfect for babies, pets, and anyone with sensitive skin or allergies. It's tough on odors but gentle on everything you love. Breathe easy knowing that it's been formulated to be safe for those with asthma and allergies. It's a worry-free choice for your whole family. With Easy Air, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your laundry is truly clean and safe for everyone. It's the perfect solution for a healthy home. What we like? It's hypoallergenic and fragrance-free, making it perfect for sensitive noses and skin. It also eliminates odors effectively. If you have allergies or sensitivities, this is a great choice. What people say. The difference in the air was immediately noticeable. Kills germs and dust mites. My son's wheezing has significantly reduced and the allergic cough is almost gone. Number 1. Mitey Clean Laundry Additive. Its all-natural formula, with essential oils and enzymes, eliminates allergy irritants for a healthier home. Enjoy cleaner clothes the natural way. It's hypoallergenic and free of artificial fragrances and dyes, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Keep your clothes soft and your skin irritation-free. This concentrated formula provides up to 24 loads. A little goes a long way, ensuring thorough cleaning and lasting freshness. It's suitable for both standard and high-efficiency washing machines. Use it in any water temperature for optimal results. Infused with natural essential oils, it leaves your laundry with a subtle, pleasant scent. Enjoy a light and refreshing fragrance without harsh perfumes. It works well with all detergents and fabric softeners to boost cleaning power. Get the best clean possible with every wash. What we like? It's all natural, gentle on skin, and very economical. A little goes a long way. If you're looking for a cost-effective and eco-friendly option, this is it. What people say. This has helped both my allergies and the lifespan of my bedsheets. It has a nice smell and it removes dust mites from the laundry. It is a great way to get rid of that stale laundry smell. Everything smells cleaner, as if it was washed in hot water and dried on high, even when washed in cold and dried low. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.